guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to grow vegetables from kitchen scraps. These are the vegetables we have: celery, carrot, garlic, onion, tomato, pepper and lettuce. So now I'm going to be getting some pepper seeds. So first, how to get them is, we have a pepper here, and just have your thumb and push it down like that, and we'll just let them dry for a few days or even a week. But we have some already dried, so we're going to be using these ones to plant. So first, we need an empty pot, some compost, fill it up to the neck, and then just water it a little bit so it can go down, and then grab 3 or 4 pepper seeds. I'm going to do 4. Put one there and put one here, and then over the other side. Now one more over here, and then we're going to grab some more compost and just pat it down a little bit until it's up to the neck again, and then grab some more water and soak it. So now we're going to plant some tomatoes. Be very careful using a knife because we have to cut them. First we are going to cut them here like this, and then cut it again here, just like that. So, and then I'm going to grab an empty pot, fill it up with compost up to the neck, and then put a tomato in it, and then more compost, just a little bit, and then water. And that's how you grow a tomato. So now I'm going to be planting some carrot greens. This one is already starting to sprout, so I might use that one. And then we're going to grab an empty pot, some compost, and put it all the way up to the neck, and then water it, and then put the carrot in it, and then keep watering it until it dries. So now I'm going to plant some garlic. This one is already starting to grow, so I'm going to grab one and an empty pot and some compost, and just put some compost in there, and then wet it. I spilled a little bit, and then make a little hole in it and put the garlic in it, green piece up, and then hopefully it will grow. So now we're going to be growing onion, lettuce and celery. We don't even need compost for these ones yet. So first we have this old plastic tray. So first we're going to grab the celery, root side down, just put it there. Onion, see the roots, and then just put it down. And some lettuce, what we use for a salad, and then see the end and just put it down. It's okay if you put a lot of water in it, because they need plenty of water. like and subscribe, and I'll do an update video how these guys are growing.